Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 bicycle motor kit. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Bafang M500. Specifications: brand name Bafang, type controller, origin mainland China, mode Bafang M400 M510 M600, size Bafang motor. Item number 4 is Bafang BBSHD BBSHD2B. Specifications: brand name Bafang, wattage 400 watts, design brushless, voltage 48 volts, origin mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected rear hub motor. Specifications: motor type brushless gear hub motor, wattage 400 watts, design brushless, voltage 48 volts, origin mainland China. Bafang motor model RMG063.1000D DC, rated power 1000 watts. Installation widths 175 millimeters. Brake, disc brake. Item number 2 is Bafang G320. Specifications: brand name Canis motor, wattage 400W, design brushless, voltage 48V 52V, origin mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Tongxing TSDZ2B. Specifications: brand name Bird, motor type TSDZ2B mid-drive motor kit, wattage 400 watts, design brushless, voltage 48 volts, LCD display VLCD5 VLCD6, chain wheel 42T, BB length 68 to 73 millimeters. Origin mainland China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.